Hey, it's Leah, and today I'm going to talk about the lazy man way to direct mail marketing. I don't know about you, but I've sat on the floor and put together a assembly line with my postcards, my letters, and the envelopes, and then the stamps. And sometimes you just run out of time. So what do? You just put it all to the side. Why not do it the lazy man way? And let me show you how to do that. Right now, we're going to get started. If you'd like to call 970-632-7577, you will get an email with a link down below. It'll take you right through the information and the website. But right now, let's get started. Let's check out postcardmoney.now.site. Let's look in. Let's get started. Let's start now. Perfect. I just jumped over to postcard.now.site. I call this mailbox love. Why? Because every time we get something in the mailbox with our name or our face, we get excited. So, wanted to also help you grow and expand your business through the mailbox, through direct mail marketing, and learn how postcards can change your business. Down below will be the information that you can go ahead and start your free 14-day trial, test it out. All you have to do is pay for stamps. Down below will be my information. My name is Leah Fike, and I'm here at 970-458-5849. And if you have any questions, otherwise follow me on Facebook and YouTube, and let's get started. Let's check out to see how this works. All right, I just jumped over to this amazing software that I want to show you that you can send postcards and cards and personalized drinkware, mugs, bottles, coasters. You can do personalized gourmet food, brownies, cakes, popcorn, truffles, and more. You do have personalized gift as notebooks, golf balls, tape measures. You also have personalized boxes, so you can have boxes sent out and specialize and personalize those. You can do pet gifts. You can do personalized prints, metal prints, stick-ups, ornaments, business cards, whatever you'd like. Right here, you can also do other gifts and limited time going away gifts. Right here, I absolutely love the cards and postcards. So here you can see I have free greeting cards. With my subscription, I can go ahead and get 50 free 5x7 greeting cards each month. As you can see, I need to get busy. So this will also renew on March 21st, so it tells me exactly how many free greeting cards I have until my renewal of that time frame. Cards do not rotate to next month, so if you don't use these, they are gone. So use them. You only pay for the stamp. So get those out of there. So here I want to show you, I use personalized cards and postcards for my business. I also send out birthday cards, making people feel special that probably have never received a birthday card, or it's so personalized that it has their picture, their name, their information, and they get it right in the mail. Right here, you can go ahead and click on Create Cards. Right here is that 5x7 greeting card. So design all four sides of your card, your return address, and automatically added to the back, mailed with a plain white envelope and a real stamp. Right here it says 50 cents, but I have it free with my subscription. So you get 50 of these. So we also have templates, and you can create them by scratch. You can use your personalized creation over and over and over. It's truly up to you, or you can change and alter each and every one. Right here, you do have a 5x7 greeting card with a custom envelope, so you can customize that envelope and make it with a face, a design, whatever you'd like. Right here is a pearl 5x7 with custom envelope. It's an elegant paper with spectacular pearl-like sheen. So you have those. Those are a little bit more, but if you're really trying to get into a business or maybe win over someone, this is an absolute amazing way. Right here is a gigagram, an 8x11 greeting card. If nobody saw that in their mailbox, I would be concerned. But here you can start with the templates or scratch on any of these. I absolutely love the 4x6 postcard. You have unlimited, yes, unlimited 4x6 printed on premium card stock, glossy on the front side and matte on the back side. And these are unlimited. You just pay for the stamp. I don't know about you, but that is absolutely amazing. Right here is a 5.5 how would you say it? 5.5 by 8 by 8.5, 5.5 by 8.5 postcard. Premium cardstock, glossy on the front and matte on the back. It's only 19 cents. Here you can have a 5.5 by 11.5. These will absolutely stand out in that mailbox. Premium cardstock with glossy on the front and matte on the back, only 45 cents plus your stamp. I don't know about you, but this is fantastic. I used to make all my other postcards at another website, so I will show you how that looked. This is a website I used all the time. Why? Because I only had to spend $39 to have free shipping, and I could create my postcards directly right here. So here you can get ideas of what you want to do, but right here I did the postcard, well, not their service, but you can do their service, but you can also see the cost difference. So you have a choice to do those 4x6, 5x7, 5.5, and if you want to do it, it's $25.06.25 per each. That does not include that's just printing costs, so that's not a shipping cost. So here, I used to go to Postcards and create all my postcards. You can go directly to a design service like Canva or anything like that. I will have that down below, and you can create your own postcards. Here I will log into my account. We'll check it out. Absolutely love this company until I found this new one. So here's my account and my orders. Let's close this. Order status. And the problem I have with these is I would order, let's see how many I would order. So here, I believe this one, more info. Let's not show my personal information, but here, let's click on these. So I did 1,000 quantity, which is absolutely amazing. And it was a 14 glossy cardstock, but I had nothing on the back. This cost me $45.52 just for the postcard, and it was mailed to me for free because I did do the $39 to get free shipping. But I spent a quantity of 1,000 4x6, and this was just for the postcard. So for $45.52, I only got a postcard, and now I needed to also go ahead and put the stamp on it. So now I am putting these into an envelope to finish up what I have, but here at 1,000, you can also cause you issues. So right now, I no longer want to promote this one, but I have tons of these cards, and now I just need to get them out. So here for $45.52, I got 1,000 postcards, absolutely amazing, sent to my door, and I use them. So I just want to show you, so we'll say $45.52, $45.52, $45.52 divided by 1,000, it probably already told me this, is about 4 cents for the postcard. But for $45.52, let's see, for 1,000 postcards, it's 32 cents, I believe, times 0.32 for a stamp. That's $320 just on stamps, plus you have that $45.52 and $320. That's $365.52. And if you no longer were able to use this card, it doesn't do you any good. So I'm going to show you a better way. Let's see how that would work. Just jumping back to my other website here where you can do unlimited postcards. There is no charge for these postcards. It does have a subscription, but it also has an affiliate program that pays 40% out so you can learn how to get your marketing for free. So here you are going to pay that subscription, but your cards are free. So you can send out as many as you want. You can start with a template or you can start with scratch and create these however you want. So now you're saving that $45.52 and all you have to do is buy as many as you want. So if you import a list or anything like that, you can do these in quantities, say 100. You can do them in a quantity of 50, whatever you want to do. Spend $32 and send the postcard with no additional cost. Now, if you're really trying to get into the mailbox, I highly suggest the 5.5, 11.5 postcard or the 5.5, 8.5, just so that you stand out in that mail. It's actually absolutely irritating when you get one of these and you just have to read it. So it's amazing to use that. So here you will be able to go ahead and create those postcards or greeting cards. The greeting cards gives you 4 sides that you can put your business information products. Maybe you're just sending a hello. Maybe you're sending, I love these templates because it does give you mind ideas. Right now we're coming up on St. Patrick's Day. Go ahead and send out a St. Patrick's Day. You also can do a drip campaign. You can do multiple things. This one has the coasters, you can do popcorn, you can do whatever you want. The brownies are absolutely amazing and I love this one. I wanted to learn how to get brownie points, and you send brownie points with your information. You can send a mug. You can do so much with this. It's absolutely amazing. You can jump into the campaign store and maybe you have a certain thing, health and wellness. Jump in here. Maybe you're a chiropractor or got pain, you need to do this. Do some postcards, make sure that your people remember you, stay top of mind. Here's a weight loss, congrats. So anyone who is promoting about getting weight loss, you want to, congratulations on losing 50 pounds, 25 pounds, 75 pounds. You know, that's really important because it's not easy. Right here is real estate investing. Right here, these are already done for you. You can change and alter everything in there. There is a cost to buy the series, but you own it for life. So here, these are already done for you. Absolutely beautiful. So you don't need to hire a designer. You can just put in your information, import your list, and go. Right here is the back side. You can change and alter anything, but it is also personalized just like it would be in an email. Now it's personalized directly in their mailbox, so they feel it is for them and not just junk mail. So down below will be the information on this amazing process. If you have any questions, please do reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help you and get you started in sending out stuff to the mailbox. Let's get those postcards going. Let's get your business rocking and rolling. It's time for everybody to start seeing what you're doing and branding your information. I'll see you on my next video. Appreciate your time. Wish you a great day, and bye for now.